Andyan pala si Oscar. Oscar! Backcourt violation. Okay. Hindi, violation, hindi tumalon si ano. Hindi siya tumalon ng jump ball. (7-7). Tumira. No good. Air ball. Bola ng dilaw. Number 1. Bad pass. Number 7-7, layup, no good. Number 2 by number 7-7. Pass ilalim, 0, no good. Tumira ulit, no good ulit. Rebound by Lopez. Tantos. Number 8. Tumira. Good for 2. Number 1. Pasan ni number 8. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 yan ang rebound. Number 8. No, tumira, no good. Bad pass, nakuha number 8. No good pa rin. Nakuha ulit number 9. Rebound by number 9. Tumira, no good pa rin. Number 9 ulit. Good hustle by Lopez. Ong. To Padris. Traveling violation. Ginagawa yung bola. Setting. Pass sa gitna to 7-7. Nilabas. Binigay kay number 9. Cross pass. No good. Rebound ni number 4. Foul. First foul rep. Foul number 9. First personal, first team foul by number 9. Number 2. Number 15. Pass by number 8. Number 9, tumirang press. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Walang mabait. Tumira, number 4, no good. Easy lang daw, sabi number 4. Pinasa ulit sa labas. Tumira, number 2 by number 7. Padris. Bad pass. Mababa. Bola ng black. Buti lang, buti. Cross pass, Tumira. Good for 3. Huh? 7 na. No good. Nice pass. Good for 2 by number 15. Nice Nice steal. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 15.
Yellow. Nice. Yellow ball. Nice.
Patrice, sineset, tumira ng 3. No good. Kuha ni number 77. Bad pass. Change 5. Change 5. Takin tayo, takin. James, anong number mo, James? Number 4. Binalik. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Good for 3. 3 points, number 12. Number 8. Pinaas sa labas. Tumira ng 3. No good. Good for 2. By number 14. Tumira, no good. Air ball. Number 1, drive, nilabas na yung number 15. Number 1, tumira ng 3, no good. Nakuha ni Roque. Scramble. No good pa rin. Good for 2 by number 15. Number 4. To number 12. Tumira ng 3. No good ulit. Bounce pass to number 1. Tumira ng 3, no good. Number 8. Good for 3. Tama ba? Lenok tapos kasabay yung sorry po. And to shoot. Cross pass to number 1. Binigay kay number 4. Niras, Kizel, no good. Tinapon. Number 1. Easy 2. Timeout. FA. Tumira ulit ng 3. Unlimited. Same ball. Tumira 3, no good. Rebound by number 15. Number 8. To number 1. Balikin number 8. Number 8 drives. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul. Foul number 4. Foul number 4. First personal, second team foul. Tumira, no good. Second attempt. Isa pa. Pasok. Smith, 66, Tumira. Number 2. Number 8. Yung number na lang, yung number nung kararating lang. Apelido. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Tumira ulit ng 3. No good. Good rebound by Oscar. Number 12. Number 2. Pumasok din yung tira nun. Line ball. Bola ng Mads. Tumira ulit ng 3. Wala pa rin. Mukhang wala ka nun. No good. Rebound by Oscar. Number 2. Number 1, Waki Moreno. Traveling violation. Team shoot. 5 to shoot. Tumira pa rin ng 3. Malala, umasok din. End of the first quarter. Score natin. Back to the ball game. Sinicheer si Oscar, pati lang ano. Bola ng yellow. Uy, magpasok na kayo ng 5. Pasok na 5. Sino? Pasok si Ryan. Ryan yung pangalan mo. Isa. Number 70. Number 4, Tumira. No good. Rebound ni number 8 ng block. Marquez. Behind the back by 25, Tumira. No good. Number 1. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 9. Second personal, first team foul by number 9. Up, shooting foul pala. Pasok, walang tira. Nakuha ni Lopez. Number 2. Number 7. Broke 3 by number 4, umikot, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1, sobrang taas. Kung sa kabila ay tinasa niyo pwede. Natatanggag din sa kabila eh. Score natin, 21-19 in favor of Mads. 26. Double heavy. Pinasa sa number 9. Tumira, no good. Nakatayo lang. Good for 2. Big boy. Number 77. Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa Marquez. No good. Pasay 26. Foul. Counted plus a foul. Foul number 9. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. Zach Number 9. 14 to shoot. Back pass. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni? Wala. Out of bounds. Bola ng black. Pause muna natin. Number 9. Pass sa gitna. Tumira. Pasok. What a shot. Number 77. Number 9, Lopez. To number 1, Gigi Lopez. Bad pass. Na-steal by number 4. Good pursue by number 4. Sorry pare. Number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 9. Pilas sa labas. 5 to shoot. Good for 2. Stepping. Ball in the block. Good for 2. Pinasa. Number 4. May lutuan ng stats na nangyayari dito. Number 4. Number 4 drive. Block by number 77. Change 5. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ulit ni number 8. Uy, foul. Who's foul there? Foul number 1. Foul 4. Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 8, tumira ng 3. No good. Number 4. Tumira. Number 2. Apat lang ang lamang. 14. Pass to number 4. Favorite yan. Good for you. Bawal makipag-usap sa committee ha. Franco. Moreno. Drives. No good. No good pa rin. Rebound by Roque. Naku, nabitawan. Ibigay sa point guard. Tumira ng press bigla. No good. Quali number 12. Bad pass. Wala. Walang foul. Wala. Naka number 8. Pasay 0. Oh. To JM. JM. Tumira ulit ng press. Malaga. Number 14. Cross back. Step back. Cross back. Don't worry. Okay. Pag-uusap. Number 66. Tumigil. Binigay number 4. Perimeter. No good. Number 8. Moreno. Too strong.
Uy, balik naman!
Bawal makipag-galo sa amin siya. Nakabal siya pa.
Relax lang! Relax lang!
Number 13 to number 1. Number 1. 8, libre. No good. Nakuha ni number 8. Double 3 ball. Number 1. Cross pass to number 13 on task. Line ball.
Uy, Franco!
Sabi ni Golem, kalma lang daw, Franco. Umikot. Pasa kay Moreno. Counted plus a foul. Foul number 8. First personal, 13 foul. Sabi ni Boss Menok, pasok. Number 4. Crossover. Tumira, good for 2. Foul, who's foul rep? 66. First personal foul, 14 foul. Tapos sablay, walang pumasok. Tumira. Good pursuit.
Ay, sorry!
Pinasa. Kay Ong. Tumira. Good for 3. Foul. Foul number 8. Foul number 8. Ilang personal foul? Ref. Penalty. Wait lang. Sorry, may bumagsak na at sa ano ni Benok eh. 17. Ilan sila break? Second personal. Pasok. 2 for 2 ba? Pasa mo. Foul. First personal, second team foul. Malayo sa penalty. Number 8. Roque. No good. Rebound by number 8. Oh. Ganda na po. End of the second quarter. Score natin, 35-32 in favor of Spence. Back to the ballgame. Open sub na tayo ngayon, open sub.
Oscar! Wala.
Open sub na tayo ha. No good. Wali number 1. Travel na yun. Bawal na yun. Sabi lang tayo. Number 14. Good for 2. Big boy. Rico, tumira 3. No good. Nakuha ni number. No good ulit. Pinasa sa kalaban. Lopez, number 1. Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 77. Pass break play ulit. Back. Good three, back. Time to shoot. Jump ball. Bola ng Mads. Substitution.
Next possession doon.
Yeah.
Next end. Opsi.
Number 1. Pasa kay Lopez. Balikin number 1. Balikin number 4. No good. Rebound ulit by Lopez. No good pa rin. Kuha ni number 1, Moreno. To number 26. Binangga lahat. Who's foul rep? 96. 16. Substitution. Ilan yung si Max? First personal, first team foul. Pasok. No good. Lopez, ikot-ikot. Binalik sa labas, tumirang ng 3. Rebound ulit ni Lopez, sipag. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 7. First personal, first team foul. Substitution. Tumirang 3. No good. Sipag naman nun. Same ball. Substitution. Pasok labas, pasok. Dylan. Lopez. Crossover. Libre. Pinasa kay number 4, tumira. No good. No good ulit. Nakuha ulit ang Mads. Medyo malaki. Reset daw. Tumira ng 3. No good pa rin. Nakuha ulit ang Mads. Hindi ba may number 1? Traveling violation. And drive, 77. Number 2. Number 1. Sipag ni Lopez. Lala. Libre. Tumira. Pasok. Number 2. Pinasa kay number 8. Tumira ng 3. No good. Number 4. Number 1. Balik kay 66. Short. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Lopez. Good recover. Good for 2. Sipag lang. Foul. Time out. Sweats. The ball game. Game to the back of the ball game. Number 1. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Ong. Padris. Binababa ang bola. Balik kay Padris. Tumira ng 3. May tira yan. Sablay nga lang. Moreno. Pakagulang. Ong. Binabas ulit. Tumira ng 3. Bola ng yellow. Yellow. Tumira ulit ng 3. Ako. Boots na sa kota yan. Bayad na. Oops. Technical foul. Technical foul number 8. Clapping. Bawal, hindi ikaw si Lebron. No good. Substitution. Pwede, diba? Technical shot sa ano, third one. Tumira ng 3. No good. No good ulit. Rebound by number 15. My second boys. Number 8. Nilabas kay Roque. Nilabas kay number 15. And tumira. No good. Nakuha niyo, ang sipag naman sa rebound ng Mads. Padris. Bili kay Ong. Dilan, libre-libre. Nako, maasin si Captain Boy. Bounce pass number 8. Good for 2. Timeout. Na. May additional trash talk. Number 12. Number 8, tumira. No good. Naku, wala talaga. Foul. Foul number 12. Third personal. 13 foul. Naku, fumble. Substitution. So, number 8. Padris. Pinasa kay Ryan, pinasa kay Padris. Binali kay James. Kabila. Substitution. Sub. Hanggang di pa nakabot yung bola. Foul. Foul number 4. Number 4, fourth personal foul. 14 foul. No good. Qualificative. Reaching foul. Foul number 9. Third personal, second team foul, number 9. Tumira ng 3. Super 3. Bukunti yan naman. Knockout. Good steal. Nakuha ni 17. No good. 15 to shoot. Oscar! No good! James. Nakuha ni James. Foul. Foul number 14. Ref 14, 20, foul number 20. First personal, 13 foul. Tumirang 3. No good. Nako, libre. Nako po. Number 4. Bounce pass to nobody. Laki yan. 3 seconds violation. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Tumirang 3. No good. End of the third quarter. May extra buzzer kami dito sa taas. Score natin, 44-39. Back to the ball game. Sweat. Pinalit, sorry, hindi ko, kapalit ko na lang. Ball na sweats, ball na sweats. Tumira ng 3. No good. 20. Number 1. Tumira. No good. 20 Lopez. Pastor, okay? Bad pass. Uy. Offensive foul. By number 8. Out of it. First personal. First team foul. Number 9. Humihingi ng screen. Bounce pass to number 1. Dalawa. Pass to 16. No good. No good ulit. Rebound meron. Nireset to number 9. Wide pass. 8 to shoot. Tumirang 3. No good. Moreno. Counted plus a foul. Foul number 66. Substitution. Nancy number 66. Second personal, first team foul. Hawak na yung bola, hawak na yung bola. Pagka tira. Substitution. Number 1. Tumira, pinilit, no good. Nakuha rin yung number 77. Foul. Foul number 1. First personal, second team foul. Substitution. Tumira. Second attempt. No good. Bad pass na naman. Tumira ng 3. No good. Huli. Block by number 66. Substitution. Good block by number 66. Number 12. Tumira ng 3 ulit. Pensionado. Good steal by number 12. Kaya nakuha ulit. 77. Libre-libre. Reverse from low eh. Foul. Who's foul that? 66 ulit. Third personal, 13 foul.
Stop.
Substitution. Tumira 3. Bola ng Mads. Substitution. Pag yung tayo number 9, rebound machine. Tumira ng 3. No good. Sa kanya ulit. Roque. No good. Para no, number 2. Not small forward. Foul. Who's foul rep? 48. 42. Substitution. Pasok. Issue. Sorry, rep. Sino yung foul kanina? Basta. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 9. Rebound machine. Ano yan? Dennis Rodman. Sabay tumira. Hindi pala. Pinasa. Pinasa. Tumira. Rebound pa rin niya. Tumira. No good. Marquez. No good. Bounce pass to number 77. Cross pass number 8. Number 2. Time out, Mads Efe. Back to the ball game.
Pagkatambak ng last 2 minutes, papasok na ako.
Padris. No good. Derecho pero sa board. Tumira yung 3. No good. Number 8. No good. Bad pass. Pinaglaran. Sorry. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ulit ng Mads. Sayang yung mga offensive rebound, no? Good for 2. Siyam na lang. Pasang naman yun. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound ulit ni Lopez. Nakailan na yun? 13 rebounds na yun. Tumira yung 3. Pasok. Time out. Stretch. Rebound sila 4 points. 13 rebounds. Yan na, ano? Role player lang talaga. Defense na. Oh no! Bad pass. Sorry, 10 seconds, sorry. Padris, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Bilang 3. No good. Quality niya. Bumangga sa pader. Technical. Call natin. Technical number. Double technical tayo. Number 4 and number 15. Substitution. Double technical ha. 7-7. Good pursue. Cross pass. Good pursue. 6 lang laman. Nilalang ang mga sweats. Traveling. Substitution. Anim lang ang lamang. Pupuchi! Moreno. Libre. Drop! May foul nga lang. Who's foul rep? Foul number 9. Second personal. 14 foul. No good. Second attempt. Isa pa. Pag pumasok. Pwede kayo mag-time out. No good. Rebound by number 4. Tumulong 3. No good. Super 2. No good. Rebound by number 6. Foul. Second personal, second team foul. Timeout, Sweats.
Dalawa pa kami.
To the ball game. Blanca. Kopi ko Blanca. Chance to shoot. Tumira ng 3. No good. Foul. Foul number 8. Penalty. Foul number 8. Third personal foul, penalty. Dalawa pa timeout ng match, wala na timeout ng set. Pasok, unang tira. Pasok, 2-14. Okay. Padri. Long 2. Masyado malayo. Rebound by number 1. Hindi pa natitira. Tumira ng 3, wala pa rin. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Roque. Intercepted. No good. Bad pass. Lopez. Last 1 minute. Roque. No good. Wait a second. Number 1. Good. Foul number 8. Third personal penalty. Substitution. Penalty tayo, penalty. Nakahiya si Marco. Pasok. Second attempt. No good. Last 30 seconds. Bigay ka ako. Long two. No good. Eight seconds. Foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Who's foul? 66. Short personal foul penalty. Short.
Time. Magna-shoot time.
No good ulit. No good. 3. Of the fourth quarter. Score natin.